Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Floods of unimaginable magnitude once washed through Gale Crater on Mars' equator around 4 billion years ago, a finding that hints at the possibility that life may have existed there, according to data collected by NASA's Curiosity rover and analyzed in joint project by scientists from Jackson State. The research, deposits from giant floods in Gale Crater and their implications for the climate of early Mars, was published November 5 in Scientific Reports. The raging megaflood, likely touched off by the heat of a meteoritic impact, which unleashed ice stored on the Martian surface, set up gigantic cripples that are telltale geologic structures familiar to scientists on Earth. We identified megafloods for the first time using detailed sedimentological data observed by the rover Curiosity, said Quather Alberto G. Ferrin, a visiting astrobiologist in the College of Arts and Sciences. Deposits left behind by megafloods had not been previously identified with orbiter data. As is the case on Earth, geological features including the work of water and wind have been frozen in time on Mars for about 4 billion years. These features convey processes that shaped the surface of both planets in the past. This case includes the occurrence of giant wave-shaped features in sedimentary layers of Gale Crater, often called megaripples or Andy dunes that are about 30 feet high and spaced about 450 feet apart, according to lead author Izzat Haydari, a professor of physics at Jackson State University. The Andy dunes are indicative of flowing megafloods at the bottom of Mars' Gale Crater about 4 billion years ago, which are identical to the features formed by melting ice on Earth about 2 million years ago, Haydari said. The most likely cause of the Mars flooding was the melting of ice from heat generated by a large impact, which released carbon dioxide and methane from the planet's frozen reservoirs. The water vapor and release of gases combined to produce a short period of warm and wet conditions on the red planet. Condensation formed water vapor clouds, which in turn created torrential rain, possibly planet-wide. That water entered Gale Crater, then combined with water coming down from Mount Sharp, in Gale Crater, to produce gigantic flash floods that deposited the gravel ridges in the hummocky plains unit and the ridge and trough band formations in the striated unit. The Curiosity rover science team has already established that Gale Crater once had persistent lakes and streams in the ancient past. These long-lived bodies of water are good indicators that the crater, as well as Mount Sharp within it, were capable of supporting microbial life. Early Mars was an extremely active planet from a geological point of view, Ferrin said. The planet had the conditions needed to support the presence of liquid water on the surface, and on Earth, where to raise water, to raise life. Please support our channel to grow by pressing subscribe button as well as the bell icon for daily science updates. Thank you.